Good day, everyone. I'm Adam Hernberg with the Building Science Group in Edmonton. I'm here to talk to you about unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as drones. There are many advantages to using drones, such as time management. We can review large areas in short periods of time. Drones with thermographic imaging can be used to spot wet insulation or air leakage. In addition, drones allow safe access to roofs that are too steep or unsafe to walk on. Not every building can be reviewed with a drone. Some areas or towns have restrictions on where to fly, such as airports or military bases. Recently, we conducted a final roof inspection on a multi-building complex in Fort McMurray. The total roof area across 20 buildings was about 39,000 square feet. The inspection for all 20 roofs took about an hour with setup and flying time. If I was to use a ladder, this could take up to 4 or 5 hours to complete. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at Pinchin.
Contact us today to learn how using a drone can help your project.